Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you, this is the Jones CMV vertical cartoner. It is set up for a reverse tuck type closure. We're powered up at 460 volt right now, 3-phase. Starts over here with the carton magazine, which has a weighted pusher. Advances your cartons to the pickup point there. Travels in here. Here is the coating station. Notice the coating head is not there. On there, you'll have to have one of those. The former owner installed a scanning system at 2 points with its individual controls. Up here and here, we have them bypassed right now, along with, as you can see, all the guards, which have interconnected safeties for the doors. It has a remote jogging switch, which operates when the emergency stop right here is engaged. And you see I'm operating that here so that mechanics can go around and test the machine and operate as they're moving. Now when we put that down there for a second, here are the operator panel. Put the stop in, select your speed, and had the stop in. That's it. There we go. Sorry, I had the emergency stop engaged. Unit has its own vacuum pump on board, which is right here. You can actually hear it come on. Has an extended frame here for operators to work and load the cartons right here. Going to take you around the back side of the machine. This will be the discharge side. Another e-stop here, also working. It's a belt closure system. And of course a small discharge conveyor at the end. We have lots of cartoning equipment, packaging equipment, casing, fillers, cappers, labelers. We do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today. You'll find us on the website under packaging, then click the subset cartoning for all detailed photos. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.